Title: Ascendancy. Could your role in the workplace be next? TLDR. With advancements in AI technology, economists are suggesting certain jobs are more likely to be automated, with a substantial number of these roles currently held by women. Based on a recent study, some jobs may be facing a higher risk of automation than others. The findings raise pressing questions on the future of the job market and the implications of AI growth on gender equality. In an era of relentless technological advancement, one question looms over the job market like an ominous digital cloud: will artificial intelligence, AI, eclipse the role of humans in the workplace? According to Haki Oostenren, an economist at Revelio Labs, the answer might be yes for certain job types, and those roles are disproportionately held by women. In a recent appearance on the Alzheimer Show, Oostenren discussed a study from Revelio Labs that identified jobs potentially at risk of replacement by AI. What's more, the study showed a significant number of these jobs are currently held by women. This revelation isn't just about job security, it also triggers a broader discussion on gender equality in the face of technological progress. As AI continues to evolve, its implications for the job market become increasingly profound. From administrative assistants to cashiers, the automation of tasks is no longer a distant prospect but a reality many are starting to grapple with. While the specific roles most at risk were not detailed in the discussion, one thing is clear: the future workplace could look significantly different from today's. Still, it is crucial to remember that the evolution of technology often brings new opportunities alongside its challenges. With AI potentially replacing certain jobs, the workforce might need to adapt, developing new skills and focusing on roles that AI cannot replicate. But who will bear the brunt of this transition? Are women more likely to be affected due to the types of roles they hold currently? And what measures can be taken to ensure the evolution of AI does not disproportionately affect one gender over another? Yet, while there's a threat, there's also an opportunity. AI's rapid progress could lead to the creation of more tech-centric roles. But are we prepared to bridge the existing gender gap in the tech industry and seize these opportunities for all? As we stand at the precipice of change, it's time for introspection and action. What does the future of work look like in your view? Will AI spell doom or boon for jobs, and how do we ensure a fair and equitable transition? This story was first seen at the Alzheimer Show.